Our rat demonstrated chaining throughout the obstacle course. Chaining is linking previously learned behaviors together. Maple chained together playing basketball, climbing the rope, jumping, and the dowel rod.
While running the maze, Maple demonstrated latent learning. Latent learning is learning that occurs but isn't apparent until there is an incentive to demonstrate. It wasn't apparent Maple knew the maze until she demonstrated it. While running the maze, Maple used her cognitive map or a mental representation of the layout of one's environment to help guide her through.
Two on those things. You didn't decide.
We used the technique of shaping, which involves rewarding step by step gradually until a desired action is met. We used shaping with Maple as she first learned the small jump, then high jump, and lastly, super high jump.
She's tired. No. Yes, Maple.
We used a positive reinforcement, Maple's cage, to get her to run hurdles. A positive reinforcement is a pleasant stimulus added to increase behavior. The cage was placed at the end of the hurdles to get Maple to do them.
Stop.
Positive punishment, or decreasing behavior by adding an unpleasant stimulus, was a technique we used throughout the project. When Maple groomed herself instead of doing a trick, we positively punished her by nudging her.
When Maple pushed the marble with her nose, we could conclude there was some extrinsic motivation because Maple pushed it for the treat. Extrinsic motivation is a desire to perform a behavior due to promised rewards, in this case, the treat. The Skinner box is a box containing a bar that an animal can manipulate to obtain a food or water reinforcement. This box allowed us to teach our rat the different schedules of reinforcement. B.F. Skinner invented the Skinner box. He believed rewards and punishment shapes behavior. He made up schedules, shaping, rewards, and punishments.
While in the Skinner box, we used a fixed ratio schedule, 1-to-1, when rewarding Maple. A fixed ratio schedule is a set number of actions before a consequence. Maple used the fixed ratio of 1 bar press for 1 sugar pellet.
Maple expressed learning, or a relatively permanent change in the organism's behavior due to experience as she rung the bell.